Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Absolutely. Protecting against SQL injection is crucial in preventing malicious attacks on your database when working with Python. One of the most effective ways to prevent SQL injection is by using parameterized queries. Here's a tutorial on how to do it. SQL injection is a type of attack where malicious SQL statements are inserted into an entry field for execution. This can lead to unauthorized access, manipulation, or even deletion of data in a database. Parameterized queries help separate SQL code from the data being passed into the query, preventing the execution of malicious code. Utilize database libraries that support parameterization, such as SQL3 or Page2 for PostgreSQL. In this example, the serves as a placeholder for the user input. The actual user input is passed as a tuple, user_input, as the second argument to the execute method. This way, the input is treated as data and not as executable SQL code, preventing SQL injection. Input validation: validate and sanitize user inputs. Ensure that inputs match the expected format before using them in SQL queries. Least privilege principle: use database users with the least privileges required for operations. Avoid using super user accounts unnecessarily. Avoid dynamic SQL: minimize the use of dynamically generated SQL queries with user input embedded directly into the query string. Escaping special characters: if you cannot use parameterized queries, escape special characters in user input before using them in SQL queries. Remember, while parameterized queries are a robust way to prevent SQL injection, it's important to implement multiple layers of security and best practices to safeguard your application and data. Would you like to know more about any specific aspect of preventing SQL injection? ChatGPT.